thing because it was such a long break. So we got on the hit recap, draft edition to 199, haha, Clinton Dix. We got the hot routes to 199, Alshon Jeffrey. We got the Duke Johnson, numbered to 199, not an auto. We got to 199, Josh Robinson auto. And the 199, Eric Kendricks auto. And we have the Devin Smith with ink for the Jets. That's numbered to 199. We have the Devontae Adams two-color patch, numbered to 25, 11 of 25. We got the Len Dawson, numbered to 49, Len Dawson jersey auto. I'm not sure which one is bigger, but we'll show this one, I guess. 13 of 99. Two-color patch jersey with an auto. Halsey hits it with Todd Gurley. Todd Gurley. And 1 of 2. You heard that right. 1 of 2. Go to the Jags. Marquise Lee. Got the 4-color patch up top. If I can hold it straight, that'd be great. And the Nike swoosh. That's sick, man. Congratulations to all you guys with the big hits on that one. Breakers.tv /KelsCards and KelsCards.com. Thank you.